Take social media with a pinch of salt. Don't let it determine your identity. The Almighty doesn't care if you have 1 follower or 1,000,000. He looks at your heart and deeds. So don't get caught up in the social media rat race. Use it wisely to promote what's good and wholesome. Don't focus on the negatives. Don't let the rejection from a few make you miserable and stop you from seeing the acceptance of many. Such is life, you can't please everyone, so don't even try. Focus on who is for you instead of those against you. That's the way forward. When you believe, it doesn't mean the road ahead is smooth all the way. Far from it. Expect the Almighty to test you if you're indeed true to your word. Remember, faith is not the belief that He will do what you want, it is the confidence in knowing that He will do what's best. Don't let negativity, fear and doubt control your thoughts. Always seek your strength from the Almighty. Keep the faith. Trust Him. He will empower you. He will pave a way out for you. He will never let you down. Keep praying. He will respond when the time is right. Don't waste the most blessed days. 10 days is not a long time, so be sure to fill your days with as much good as possible. The Almighty gives us these periods of spiritual boosts throughout the year. So purify your intent, make a plan, and you're on the way to accomplish much. Make it a habit to live a positive life. Begin each day expecting the Almighty to bless you in amazing ways. Think good thoughts of Him. What's the point of waking up each day expecting the worst? Don't waste your precious life worrying, being anxious and stressed out always. When people reveal their true colors, take note. The Almighty allowed it to happen for a reason. If they have been putting up a false front, now you know truth. Don't let them convince you otherwise. Deal with it in the best possible manner. Be firm but polite and take your leave. Every challenge the Almighty sends your way has a lesson attached to it. You're meant to learn that lesson. You may be stuck in the same position for a long while if you do not understand what He's trying to teach you. Once you embrace the test, moving on becomes easier. Don't fall into this trap. Don't dwell on how privileged you are. It's how you end the journey that matters. Strive to live a life that endears you to your Creator. Everything else is secondary. Keep asking for a good end. May He take us when He's most pleased with us. No matter how tempted you are, don't form your own conclusion based on what you see. Why? Because you will never know the true situation if you've not walked in someone's shoes. Remember, the ignorant sees only with his eyes. But the wise person sees with his heart and mind.